All right, silly people, here's the situation. We're going to be making a code which prints out the first few Catalan numbers, all the ones that are going to be less than 1 billion, pretty much. Uh, the formulas aren't too hard here. This is just more of an exercise of learning how to do while loops. So um, the first Catalan number that they give us is 1. So we're going to have to set up, I'm just going to call it C equals 1, and also n equals 0, so we can keep track of what index we're on. And so we need to do a while loop. So that's going to be while, um, we're going to do while let c is less than or equal to 189. And because that's actually whenever you do it in scientific notation like that, you have a float pretty much. And all these are supposed to be integers. So let's say, well, it's less than or equal to int 189, and that should work. It'll check integer values. And then you put a colon, and then inside the while loop, we take the c value that we have, and we add n to it. So, well, that's not even right. So first of all, you do the c addition. So c plus equals. So you're not even plus equals, just equal sign actually. The fraction is 4 times n plus 2, and then divided by n plus 2, and then it's multiplied by the current c value. So I guess, interesting. That's probably fine. That's probably how it works. Then you add n up. So let's just n plus equals 1. So the n goes up to the next value. And then print c. We'll also have it print c as it comes in to the while loop, so that we can have it print the first value of 1. That way we get all the values, and I think that should be everything. It prints it as floats. I'm going to do integers instead. Print int c. There we go. Okay, let's try it now. 1, 1, 2, 5, 14, 42, 132. That looks like it matches what is in the book. Is that less than a billion? That is actually more than a billion. So I wonder where I went wrong. So maybe only have it print. Okay, you definitely have it print before it adds. Whoops. You say print int c before it adds on, and you can get rid of this line. That way it'll only print out the ones that are less than a billion. So, okay, that looks good to me.